1. Sunrise over a damp field. Combine idling at the edge. 2. Farmer steps out, boots sinking in soft soil. 3. Wet ground close up, combine wheels ready. 4. Tablet screen. Adjusting tire pressure settings. 5. Switch to tracks, dual wheels montage. 6. Farmer walking edge of field, mapping route mentally. 7. Combine entering field edge, path established. 8. Headland area reserved for return trips. 9. Farmer halts combine, considering weather. 10. Snapshot of a lodged crop in windstorm aftermath. 11. Combine slows, header lowered. 12. Header with crop lifters lowers into lodged stalks. 13. Reel tilting gently to feed tangled plants. 14. Combine moves slowly through lodged patch. 15. Multiple passes montage to clear lodged area. 16. Transition to high-yield field, thick, tall crop. 17. Close up, adjusting concave and sieve settings. 18. In-cab sensor shows rotor speed adjustments. 19. Fan speed indicator being fine-tuned. 20. Moisture meter reading on screen. 21. Farmer halts until moisture ideal. 22. Grain tank filling rapidly. 23. Grain cart pulling alongside combine. 24. Fluid unloading into transport truck. 25. Combined resumes harvest effortlessly. 26. Scene change to hillside farm, slope terrain. 27. Farmer observes slope steepness from cab. 28. Combined self-leveling in action on incline. 29. Tank kept half empty to lower center of gravity. 30. Harvest direction shown moving across the slope. 31. Ground pressure indicator readout. 32. Wide shot. Combined trotting carefully across hill. 33. Safety radio ping, a partner checking in. 34. Combined stops, farmer communicates with support. 35. Rain clouds roll in unexpectedly. 36. Farmer assesses moisture, halts operations. 37. Trucks and tracked combine arrive to help. 38. Collaboration teamwork unloading stalled combine. 39. Combined resumes as field begins to dry. 40. Montage. Combines harvesting, soil recovering. 41. Farmer monitoring soil compaction next season. 42. In-cab monitor shows logs and data. 43. Farmer plans next harvest day on tablet. 44. Evening scene, combined park, stars overhead. 45. Farmer reviews stats. Yield, moisture, soil health. 46. Farmer leans on combine, takes satisfied breath. 47. Voiceover recap. Skill, adaptability, care. 48. Summary card. Combine plus intuition plus data equals success. 49. Closing shot. Harvested field at dusk. 50. Text overlay. Subscribe to learn farm's hidden strategies. Thumbs up like this video if you were inspired by this farmer's adaptability. Send mail share with a friend who loves agriculture or innovation. Bell subscribe for more behind the scenes stories from farms, tools, and techniques.